Maths-Whizz is arguably the most powerful online numeracy program for schools used in New Zealand, Australia and worldwide today. Since Maths-Whizz was introduced to New Zealand in 2012, teachers have seen significant developments within the program, which ensures it remains the online program of choice for teachers and students and at the forefront of digital learning and assessment. Your child will do an initial assessment at school and get questions from all of the topics relevant to their ability. Younger children will only have a few topics, and as they progress, more topics are introduced. Older students will have questions across the curriculum. Maths-Whizz will identify their gaps and set an individual program for each student where they will automatically receive lessons specifically targeting their gaps and accelerating learning. Students should not receive any help with their assessments, otherwise their resulting individualized programs will be set at the wrong level. When a student logs into Maths-Whizz, they will receive a diagnostic assessment, giving them questions across all strands for their age. Maths-Whizz will identify their gaps and set an individual program for each student, where they will automatically receive lessons specifically targeting their gaps and accelerating learning. For reasons of practicality, some of these exercises have been sped up and some of the audio has been muted. Exercises start with an element of teaching explaining different strategies for problem solving. Every student will get lessons for their level in each topic. If a student gets an answer wrong, help is given to the student to assist them in understanding.
Well, that's the great thing about the program. Because it's tailored to every child's need, you don't have to worry about behavioural issues, because they're getting the right level of teaching and learning for them. Kids who are at a lower level, they get work that is pushing them up the next step. It's not too hard for them, it's not too easy, and it's the same with the high flyers as well. They're getting that extension.
With just a few clicks of a button to be able to go in and instantly get an idea or a picture of where the students are at, what they've been working on, how they're going, if they've got any difficulties. And it means if you do it daily, and it is literally a 5-minute quick check, you can immediately identify if there are any issues or problems or challenges, and pull a student over for a quick chat and a bit of dialogue over where they might be getting stuck, and within a few minutes they're fixed and away they go again.
We put a big focus on the improvement more than usage or maths age, and so the higher end learners might not necessarily get the biggest improvement. Anyone in the class can improve the most that week, so we celebrate improvement above all else.
That helps me improve in different curriculums I need to work on, and it really helped me with my algebra because I was really struggling, but now I'm really high up with that.
It's made a huge impact. Every year it gets better. This year our half-year achievement levels have drastically improved, and we're very pleased with the results.
We are very excited that your child's school is using Maths-Whizz. When your child is using Maths-Whizz at home, encourage them to stay focused and complete the time set by the school. Usually a target of 40 minutes in tutor and 20 minutes in replay for younger learners, or 60 minutes in tutor and 30 minutes in replay for older students. This includes usage at school and at home for the week. You can click the report in their study to see how they have done in their exercises, tests and challenges, and how long they have taken. Most activities are completed in less than 10 minutes. Data from our schools consistently shows that when students use Maths-Whizz effectively for at least 60 minutes a week, they show accelerated progress. Be sure to watch the next videos we release for parents explaining different parts of the program in more detail.